Sunrise at Rancho Cielo. Can you see the beautiful golden hue? Everything just looks pink. Good morning, little doggies. Good morning. Good morning, everyone out in YouTube land. I thought you would like to see what the dogs got for Christmas. A very kind soul gave them all little shirts. Look how cute. Kiki's, Precious, both have snowflakes. And Buddy's, I can turn around. Buddy's has a little bear with a hat on, or maybe it's a dog. And those designs on the back are made with sequins. Right. Okay, guys. All right. I think they kind of like them. Yeah, it's not that cold, but I think they kind of like them. You like them, guys? You like your Christmas presents? All right. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. She's so playful. Get that toy. Get that toy. Yeah. Tug of war. Yeah. What do you want, Precious? You want to get up here and play also? Okay. So I've been trying to figure out ways to save my rainwater so that it doesn't leave a breeding ground for the mosquitoes. And I remember to have this old cooler here. It's got rollers on it. It opens up here. So I put a bunch of my rainwater along with my compost tea in here. And that's nice. Has a nice lid. So no mosquitoes here. Yay! I just love gardening. You know, for a long time I was a dog groomer. And so when I get my little scissors out here, look at these little manicure scissors, and I reach down in here and I trim off the brown leaves. Yeah, this is good. The creatures that I now trim are not trying to bite me, and they're not wiggling all over. So it's been a perfect transition from being a dog groomer to being a farmer. So let me show you what else I'm thinking about here. I don't know if this is going to work, but I have a little mirror. See this little mirror? I don't know if I can take a picture of it, but I'm going to put the mirror down underneath the little plants, and so I can see the bottoms of the leaves that are way down there, and maybe I can see if there are any aphids in there. It's amazing how many household items you can use when you're gardening. Yeah, the mirror is working really well because I can hold it and see around behind and underneath the leaves of the little pansies. And I can see if there are any aphids back under there. Aphids seem to like the pansies better than they do the snapdragons. Oh, and yesterday, off these orange ones here, these orange snapdragons, I found some little seed pods that were already mature. So I'm saving up the seeds for next year. Yay! Another comparison I was thinking about between dog grooming and gardening is that gardening is relatively quiet. Dog grooming, you always have somebody barking in the back room. There are the extraneous noises in the neighborhood, traffic, people hammering, sawing, trimming trees, mowing lawns, but by and large, dog grooming is a lot noisier than gardening. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time, and have a wonderful day. Jesus is the exact image of the invisible God, and He loves you. I'll see you next time. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. Bye.